Gone in a jiffy, understanding everyday English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, gone in a jiffy. It's a fun and common expression in English, and understanding it will add a spark to your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and uncover its meaning and usage. The phrase, gone in a jiffy, is an informal way of saying that something or someone disappeared or was completed very quickly. A jiffy is a colloquial term for a short period of time. So, when we say something is gone in a jiffy, we mean it happened or finished in no time at all. Interestingly, jiffy originally comes from slang used in the early 20th century. It likely derived from the word jiff, which was a shortening of jiffle, meaning to move restlessly. Over time, jiffy became synonymous with a brief moment. 1. Casual conversation. I'll be ready to go in a jiffy. 2. Workplace. The meeting was over in a jiffy. 3. Narration. The magician made the bird go gone in a jiffy. It's important not to confuse gone in a jiffy with taking a long time. Remember, it always implies speed and brevity. Also, it's an informal phrase, so it's best used in casual conversations, not in formal writing or speech. And that's all about gone in a jiffy. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about embracing new phrases and enjoying the process. See you next time, and keep practicing.